cool it down. That baseline is fire. Oh, them can't cool it down. That baseline is fire.
Hey Flower Garden, it's Curly Gardner back with another video, and I am just going to be starting off on an old twist out from the previous video. If you haven't watched it, go check it out. And I'm just going to section my hair off front to back, so half up, half down, and then I'm going to start finger detangling the back section. Here I'm just taking my spray bottle with just cold water, I think it is. It's been sitting. And I'm just going to spray that back section underneath and on top and just everywhere to get it nice and saturated. And then I'm going to take my soft bristle board brush and just work that water in. Taking my Style Factor Edge Booster Gel in the pineapple scent, I am going to just take some of that and put it underneath at the nape of my neck and on top of that section. Then I'm going to take my hard bristle board brush and work in the gel, and then I'm going to alternate it with some water along with my Tangle Teezer brush to get out tangles at the root of my hair. I'm tying this back section off with a thin ponytail holder that I have, and I'm only wrapping it around 2 or 3 times because I will be layering them. This won't be the only ponytail holder in my head, so I don't want them to be too tight. So I'm finished with the back section and I'm moving on to the front. I'm just going to define my part. So here I was going for a medium to deep side part, and I wanted it C-shaped. So you're going to see that's going to take me a while to perfect. But once I get this C shape that I'm looking for, I'm just going to clip the sections out of the way. And yes, there are quite a few knots in my hair because after I did the twist out, my hair was out for a day and then it was in a ponytail for the rest of the week. So I will be starting with what is your right side of my head, which is the smaller section, and I'm just going to start by finger detangling it, and then I'm just going to repeat what I did on the back section. So I'm going to spray it with water, use the soft brush first, add some gel, then use the hard brush and the Tangle Teezer with some more water if need be. So I've got this section to how I like it, and I'm just gonna finish it off by tying it with another one of the thin ponytail holders. And then I'm going to unclip the larger section and split that in half. I'm going to do the same steps to the bottom half, and then I'll come back to the top. So I'm on the last section of this ponytail, and I'm once again finger detangling. So once I'm done finger detangling, I'm going to spray it with some water, and I'm gonna detangle it with my Tangle Teezer. Now since this is the top, I'm gonna detangle it all the way down to my roots, since majority of it will be flat against my head. And I'm also going for the swoop, which I'm not very good at, but going for the swoop look, so I'm gonna try to get as much of it on my face as I possibly can. So I'm applying the gel to all sides of this section, and then I'm going to spray it once more with some water. Then I'm going to take the hard bristle board brush and actually I'm going to take the Tangle Teezer. Then I'm going to take the hard bristle board brush and start smoothing it. Please excuse my facial expressions. When I do my hair, I have to contort my face. But I'm trying to brush the hair towards my face and then back, if that makes any sense, so that I can get that swoop on the forehead. And it's going to take me a couple of tries to go in and get it before I just finally seal up the whole ponytail with one of the thicker scrunchies that I have that can hold all of my hair. After taking my large ponytail holder to hold my final structure of this low ponytail, I'm going to just spritz my hair a little bit and apply a little bit more gel just for some finishing touches to smooth any flyaways and just brush everything in the position where it needs to be brushed. So I've put on my head tie, and this is one that I predominantly use for my edges or for ponytails, and I'm just going to do a twist out on the puff. So I'm just going to twist up the back section, and I'm just going to spray each before twist with some water and add a little bit more moisturizer to the ends, and they're gonna sit. So I've taken off my head tie to do my edges, and I use the Style Factor Edge Booster Pomade, and I have the Sweet Georgia Peach scent. Now everything's to my liking, and it's time to put on the dewy. And I'm just gonna tie this not the normal way. I'm gonna put it over my head and then around my bun ponytail and tie it like that. And then I'm gonna grab my pink velvet one just to be extra and tie it the same way. I'll come back and show you guys the finished results. It is November 2019, and this month's flower of the month is a daffodil. So I chose this flower because it means new beginnings, rebirth, and eternal life, and specifically the yellow ones. And I chose that for this month because I'm new to YouTube and I'm finally starting it. So I just thought, it'd go together. A little bit more about the flower is that when it is given in bunches, it means joy, happiness, renewed friendship. But if it is given just singularly, then it can mean misfortune. Is she gonna drip or drown, y'all? Okay, what? Y'all see those waves? But I'm just gonna start taking out the twists in the back, and then I'm gonna fluff them so that they don't look so new. Okay, but this is the final look. Thank you all for watching yet another video of mine. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I hope you all continue to have blessings, love, and growth.